Here's your chance to save the world from fog. FOG stands for used cooking fats, oil, and grease.
Our environment is under attack from fatbergs. These fatbergs are caused by people throwing their used cooking fats, oils, and grease down their kitchen drains. They collect in our sewers until they plug up the works. So what's the answer? Well, it fits in your drain or on your counter, and it's called fog-safe drain guards. Just pour your used fat, oil, or grease into the drain guard, wait a minute, then you can throw the whole thing away. No more plugged drains, it's that easy.
FOG-safe drain guards aren't just for the kitchen. They're great for the RV or around the barbecue grill. They're perfect when you're cooking on a boat or when you're out camping. FOG-safe drain guards come 3 to a box, and each drain guard can hold up to 4 ounces of used cooking fog. The best part is, drain guards are made from recycled material. FOG-safe drain guards are available at these fine stores. Start upcycling today.